welcome back to my channel. I'm Becca. I hope you're having a beautiful day. So for today's video, I'm doing a unboxing. So Boxycharm sent me their premium PR box for the month of July, and I thought it would be nice to share with you the products they sent me. This is the second month they actually sent me this box, and I have to say I'm really loving it. This one is kind of taking over the base box, which used to be my favorite one. So I can't wait to see what they sent for this month. This is the $35 monthly subscription box, and they sent 6 full-size products. You actually get to choose 2 of the products that you receive. So let's see what they sent for this month. So for the month of July, the premium box is actually by Norvina, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm really excited because this is one of my favorite makeup brands. So I can't wait to see the product they sent. They added a card with the description of the products and the price. So let's get started. So the first product I have here is the loose setting powder. I haven't tried this one. This is going to be a new one for me. And I was reading about it. It says that it absorbs oil, that it's lightweight, and it has a matte finish. So those are basically the things I look for on a setting powder. I can't wait to try this one. As always, I try all of the products and share more of my thoughts and application and all that on my Instagram and TikTok. So I can't wait to try this one. This one retails for $38. So let's see what else they sent. So they also sent the brow definer, and I have to say that some of my favorite brow products are actually from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I haven't tried this one, so this is going to be a new one for me. I've used the pomade and the brow wiz, and those have been my favorite ones. So I can't wait to give this one a go. And this one is pretty similar to the brow wiz, just except from the fact that the brow wiz is thinner. I can't wait to try this one, so we'll see how it works. They also added this liquid lipstick, which I have to say I have tried this type of liquid lipstick, but in another shade. So this one looks really beautiful. I can't wait to try this one. This one retails for $20. And something I haven't tried from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I wasn't aware they had, was eyelashes. And these are synthetic, and they retail for $12. They look really gorgeous. So I'm gonna be definitely using them when I create a look using all the products. Really love all the products they added. I think these are staple products, so that's really nice. And last but not least, they sent a eyeshadow palette, which is this one. This is the Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3, and this one retails for $60. So this is how the palette looks, and it's so gorgeous. I think the shades are really beautiful. I love that it has some bright and neutral colors, since that would allow me to create different looks. Can't wait to use this one. I'm going to be leaving the links on the description box for you if you want to get your Boxycharm box, and also so you can go ahead and check my the looks I'll be creating using all of these products from this month's Boxycharm box. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye bye.